front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to attach your photos, click on them. If you can't find them over here, you can always select folders at the top. And then to add your images, click on Images at the top. Look for them in one of your apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided to attach any photo, hold it and click Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!